Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to get items on TEMU without inviting friends. So looking to score freebies on TEMU, we've got you covered with these smart tips that don't involve bugging your friends with invites. So if you don't want to spam your friends with invites, good news, there are better ways, and here's how to get free stuff on TEMU without inviting friends. First is using discount codes and coupons. So you're a clearly savvy shopper that knows their way around a discount code. There is a TEMU code that you can get, and it is the quickest and easiest way to bag a discount. Next is keep an eye out for promos. TEMU frequently runs special promo and events where you can get free products. Check its official website, socials, or app updates on giveaways, buy one get one free offers or discount to celebrate special occasions. Next is enter giveaways and competition. Who doesn't love a good old-fashioned giveaway? TEMU often hosts contests and lucky draws that let you win products without spending money. You'll just need to sign up for its newsletter and follow it on socials to get announcement about this. Next is earn rewards with honest reviews. Did you know that sharing your thoughts and experiences on TEMU can be rewarding? Leaving honest reviews of products you purchase can earn you points or credits that you can use towards future purchases. So don't hold back and let others know what you think, and you might end up receiving freebies in return. Next is participate in product testing. TEMU occasionally invite users to participate in product testing programs. By testing out new products and providing valuable feedback, you could get some of these items for free. It's a win-win situation. You just try out cool stuff and get rewarded on your output. Jump on flash sales and limited time offers. TEMU often features time-limited sales event where you can find products at significantly discounted prices. These flash sales are typically announced in advance, so make sure you mark your calendar, be ready to snag great deals, and bag yourself free shipping. So it's not exactly a free item or free stuff. But as TEMU prices are so low, if your shipping is free, then that negates you buying yourself a little something extra. And great news, TEMU provides a free standard shipping on almost all orders directly from the shipping info section of the TEMU site. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below? And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!